Hello there, my live lovelies. I've got a very, very, very special unboxing today. So this is a glitter unboxing from the beautiful Inside and Out Yvonne at Resin Supplies Den, which is a Facebook group that I'm a member of. Now, I paid for the vast majority of this, but she's such a lovely lady. She always chucks a few freebies in, so that's, I mean, you can just, I hardly want to open it. It's so beautifully packaged. Right, and I know that I did order quite a lot. Oh my goodness. So I honestly do not know where to start. I cannot get over this. I mean, Yvonne is amazing at finding sort of specialist glitters. So this I need to do a demo on. Isn't it stunning? Absolutely stunning. This one is called Caroline. Absolutely adore. Oh, this one is called Opal. Isn't that just, I love my opal glitters, and I can't find anything like this anywhere else. More opal glitters. Now this one is called Grace. Isn't it beautiful? So I'm definitely going to do a demo with these two. I love these autumnal colours. I mean, I haven't seen this anywhere. This one is called Vicky. Beautiful. This one is called Veronica. I'm going to be putting here the ones I'm going to be doing a demo with. Oh my god, just look at this emerald green. Isn't it stunning? So this is fine metallic teal. So beautiful. What's this one? Oh, beautiful. And this is fine metallic wine red. What a lovely Christmas colour, hey? Oh gosh, sorry, I can't, just had to have another quick look at the teal. Oh dear. And I love this. This is, oh my goodness, Black Rainbow. So this is a specialist mix that she's done. It's called Black Rainbow. Isn't it amazing? And I've got two of them. Stunning. Absolutely stunning. Now this I think has got to be my favourite glitter at the moment. This is called Cindy, I think. Let me just check. Yes, these are called Cindy. Aren't they gorgeous? It's got kind of a pinky silvery thing. Anyway, oh my god, look at this. I forget what I've ordered, you know. This one's called Jackie. I did pay for this one, definitely. Paid for all of these, really. This one's called Jackie. Isn't that just stunning? It's so unusual. And then I got some fine ones. This is fine holographic silver. This is fine holographic silver as well. So those two are the same. And I think this one is as well. Yes, this is the same. Excuse my kids in the background, but you know I can't get through one of these without them. I mean, look at that. So beautiful. So this is called Amy, and this is a 15-gram bag. Stunning. Absolutely stunning. A friend of mine wants like a silver star for her tree. I'll show you. I have made a start. And I think I'm going to top it off with that. Definitely. I made a start. I thought I'll wait until I get this because I know that I'd had some amazing stuff. So what have I got here? Wow, this is a bit like so this one is called Sandra. Isn't it beautiful? And this one is holographic violet. Wow, absolutely stunning. Okay. Oh god, don't know how to pick all of these, you know. This is called Demi. Isn't it stunning? Sorry, I know I keep saying the same words, but it's just, this is a navy, fine metallic cobalt blue. I have something very, very special to do with this. I've done a Christmas tray and it needs finishing off only with Yvonne's glitters. So you are going to go in that, definitely. These is Black Mylar. So this is Black Mylar, isn't it amazing? Again, I you know, nowhere else I know sells this kind of stuff. And look at this, these little ducks. And I thought I'll put my ducks into my duck mould. Is that weird? Is that weird? I don't really care anymore. So I wanted 3 bags of them. Oh, and then, oh my goodness, look at these. Lilac rhombus, beautiful. And, oh, this is Laur, L-A-U-R. It's very kind of Frozen-esque, isn't it? I had to look at these. Look at these little stars. So beautiful. I haven't got a name on them, but seriously, Yvonne will know. So it's Resin Supplies Den Facebook. And look at these. Aren't they cute? I love them. I love all of these little stars. These are going to go, I think, into the Christmas tray that I'm making as well. And this one. Oh, good grief. And look at these little clouds. They're so cute. Oh, I think these need to go in the star, don't you? I think these will look amazing in the star. I've got a few bags of that. Holographic clouds. Oh, bless her, she's given me a freebie of these little turtles. Isn't that lovely of her? Oh, bless. I'm going to have to say thank you to her. And then these are the little turtles. And then, oh, look at these butterflies. Aren't they beautiful? Oh, thank you so much, Yvonne. You're amazing. And look at this. This just reminds me of kind of candy floss a little bit. It's so delicate and beautiful. Yes, that's what it's called, candy floss with Sakura. So Yvonne does her own mixes as well. So you won't get this anywhere else. Look at that. I just love these. Again, these are going to go in the Christmas tray. Definitely. And these little stars. Oh, Yvonne, they are all so, so beautiful. Oh, thank you so, so much. So watch this space. I think I'm going to put some of these, into here, along with the clouds. I don't know. Right, I'm off to try and make some decisions, which I think is going to be quite difficult. Thank you so much, Yvonne. You're amazing.